Access the Cost Management section. Select the Cost Type function and add the items you want to display. Enable the display of costs to be shown during the simulation. Delete previously added items. Right-click on an activity or period and select Costs to add the related cost items. Fill in the fields with the corresponding values and confirm. Integrate with Primus Online from the Gantt Settings menu. Enable the display of the project bill of quantities. Launch the Primus application. Configure the WBS nodes by associating the new price lists and generate the bill of quantities. Start the simulation of the BIM model, setting the simulation duration in the timeline in advance. View the progression of activities directly from the model. View the project cost progression in the top left panel throughout the timeline. Open the Cost Management section to view and download the cost chart. Query the model directly from usBIM browser and observe the evolution of the model and costs at a specific date.